Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
A modern front yard is transformed into a lush edible landscape. This video explores the design elements and practical tips for incorporating edible plants into a stylish and functional outdoor space. Show a stunning visual of a modern front yard with edible landscaping. Highlight the benefits of edible landscaping, like fresh food access, environmental impact, and curb appeal. Briefly mention the different types of edible plants you'll be showcasing in the video. Explain the key design principles for integrating edible plants into a modern landscape. Show examples of different plant combinations, including flowering herbs, colorful vegetables, and fruit trees. Emphasize the importance of choosing plants suitable for your climate and soil conditions. Provide practical tips on how to plant and care for edible landscaping. Discuss soil preparation, spacing, and watering techniques. Offer guidance on pest control and disease prevention for common edible plants. Showcase the bounty of your edible landscape, highlighting different fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Provide tips on harvesting techniques and storage methods to maximize your harvest. Share inspiring recipes and ideas for incorporating your edible landscape's produce into your daily meals. Discuss the benefits of spreading the edible landscape movement. Highlight resources and organizations supporting edible landscaping efforts. Encourage viewers to share their own edible landscaping journeys and inspire others. A contemporary home with a sun-drenched outdoor patio area. A large, open-air patio, with a light gray stone deck, extends from beneath a wooden beamed, dark gray roof, providing shade on a sunny day. The patio is surrounded by lush, well-maintained landscaping. Colorful orange trees with ripe oranges hang heavy from branches, adding a vibrant touch to the scene. Soft, natural light bathes the patio and surrounding garden. Mix of grass, shrubs, and flowering plants in warm, earthy tones compose the landscaping. A light brown wooden patio furniture set is subtly placed. A modern house with a beautifully landscaped backyard. The house features a horizontal brown wood siding contrasted with dark gray concrete and black trims. Large windows and sliding glass doors offer a seamless transition to the outdoor patio area. The patio is paved with gray concrete. The backyard is a vibrant mix of textures and colors. Planted beds of various native and flowering plants in shades of yellow, orange, and green create a dynamic aesthetic. A pathway made of large, rust-colored rectangular slabs leads through the garden, creating a flowing path across a bed of gray pebbles. A modern, landscaped backyard with a contemporary house. A large, light beige/tan stone house with dark gray/black accents and a wooden deck. The house has large windows and sliding glass doors that open onto the deck. A variety of plants and flower beds are planted around and in front of the house. Large, smooth, dark gray/black stones are used in pathways that wind through the garden. There are raised garden beds with various green leafy vegetables and herbs, cacti, succulents, and smaller flowering plants in the garden beds. A modern, meticulously landscaped garden path leading to a contemporary house. Impressionistic realism. Gray and black tones of the house, landscaping, and walkways are balanced by pop of yellows and greens in the planted shrubs and trees. The pathway winds through a mix of gravel and flat stone pavers. The garden features a variety of textures, including low-lying shrubs, grasses, and larger trees. The house has a contemporary design with a wide glass sliding door and wooden roof overhang. The house exterior is a dark gray and black. A meticulously landscaped hillside garden, featuring a series of stone steps descending a slope. Large, irregular, light gray rocks are strategically placed throughout, acting as both retaining walls and focal points. A variety of flowering plants in vibrant colors adorn the space. Patches of intense orange wildflowers, interspersed with purple lavender, and smaller, white blossoms create a dynamic tapestry of color. The garden is nestled beneath a modern-style home with a wooden overhang, creating a shade-dappled effect. A modern, minimalist courtyard garden. Hyperrealistic rendering. Concrete walls and a wooden deck, with sliding glass doors leading into a living space with a sofa and seating area. Abundant greenery, including a large leafy tree, various bushes and shrubs, and a vertical garden of ivy. Grass interspersed with gravel pathway and stone pavers. A dark gray chaise lounge area with cushions and soft lighting. Freshly picked oranges arranged on a wooden platform or bench. Warm, inviting lighting in the space. A vibrant, colorful, and well-maintained garden surrounds a modern, contemporary house. The garden is organized into raised beds of various sizes, filled with a diverse array of flowering plants in a variety of colors: reds, oranges, yellows, purples, pinks, and blues. The beds are bordered by dark gray concrete or stone. The plants appear lush and healthy, with a variety of textures and heights. The house features a contemporary design with brick, dark siding, and multiple expansive windows and doors. A sun-drenched, colorful garden path winds through a vibrant flower bed. A variety of blossoming flowers, predominantly shades of orange, purple, and blue, fill the beds. The path is made of irregular, light brownish-gray flagstones. A lush expanse of green grass surrounds the path. The home's exterior, a light beige/tan color, is visible in the background. The scene is detailed and bright, with natural, warm light. A modern outdoor space featuring a sleek, dark gray kitchen area extending from a contemporary home, seamlessly blending into a landscaped backyard. The kitchen boasts a concrete countertop, black cabinetry, and a wine cooler. A gravel path winds through a vibrant garden filled with various succulents, colorful flowers, and lush greenery. Large, flat, light gray stepping stones form a pathway through the garden. A medium-sized tree with full green foliage is positioned centrally within the garden area. A wooden privacy fence forms a backdrop to the scene. A modern, outdoor patio area with a stylish home in the background. The home features a dark gray metal roof overhang and light brown wood siding. Large sliding glass doors allow for views of the patio and garden. Several tiered, rust-colored metal planter boxes, various sizes, are filled with vibrant green plants, herbs, and citrus fruits. A mix of olive and other green trees and shrubs, as well as some succulents and grass, are neatly arranged around the planters. The patio area has light gray stone steps leading to the house. A modern, contemporary home exterior featuring a large, vibrant vertical garden wall. The wall is composed of numerous planters in a grid pattern, filled with various greenery and flowering plants, showcasing a mix of textures and colors, including reds, oranges, yellows, and deep greens. The building is a dark gray concrete or stucco, with a flat roof. Large sliding glass doors lead out to the deck. The deck is a light reddish-brown wooden material.
Don't forget to visit YouTube:4DX Design channel for even more inspiration, curated products, and exclusive offers. Subscribe now and let the magic of design unfold before your eyes. Thanks.